Hi, hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jalene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I'm here with, I got a mystery bag from Ipsy. I just got through filming an Ipsy sale haul, and this is the, just happened to get this little, for $34, I got this bag right here, and I didn't put anyway, I'll put this stuff in it, but it came outside the, okay, so this is the Ipsy Glow All Night mystery bag. So we're going to see what's in it, and so let's just get to it and see what we got here. Okay, first of all, I want to thank you guys for being here. I appreciate your support so much. You can support my channel by subscribing, hitting the like button, leave me a comment. I appreciate all those things so much, so thank you for that. And so let's get to this little bag here and see what we got in here. So this bag is a $34 purchase. It has 5 full-size items in it. I did look when I bought the bag. I looked to see what brands they talk about are in the bag, and I got excited because it said a Huda Beauty and a Rare Beauty, which I love both those brands. So I'm like, I've got to get this one. So, and they have been killing it more with their mystery bags. So anyway, we'll see if I'm happy or not. I can kind of see what's here, but I haven't really looked at what they all are. So anyway, but this is the blue. It's kind of an iridescent blue. It's got purple. It's got a purple color inside, and even the iridescent kind of goes to a lavender, maybe a little bit. Anyway, so let's fill this up and see what we got in here. Okay, the first product, I'm picking the biggest product here. This is from this is from Olivia Uma, and this is Glass Skin Tanghulu. Not sure what that means. So let's get the glasses on here. It's a cleansing foam. Okay, so exfoliating, moisturizing, even skin tone from fruit ingredients extracted with high frequency technology. Ooh. Okay, the technology is the Tanghulu, whatever. So anyway, it's a cute box. Okay, love this color. This is really fun. I think I'm going to probably put this in my shower since it says exfoliating too. So anyway, I'm excited about this. I think this is a great first product to have in the bag. So let's, I don't know. I'm just going to throw this in the bag without the box. The next thing I have, it looks like another big product, and this looks like it's probably a hair product. And this is, it's, from Rose and Quartz is the brand. You see that right there. And it's says Move Mist Conditioning Spray. So I love conditioning sprays. I'm hoping this is a good one and I'll like it. I just ran out of a couple of my favorites, so I will be excited to use this. And I don't know. I'm trying to get it open. I don't know if it's necessary. So anyway, there we go. So that's the second item. So we already got 2 big things in here. And the next item I have, looks like I'm kind of going by size here. The next item I have, this is the Alfalfa and Glaze by Seraphine Botanicals. This is a long wearing hyper glow primer. Okay, so it's a primer. Haven't seen that. I do have favorite primers, so sometimes I have a hard time not using my favorites. Looks like this is sealed. Kind of want to try it. Anyway, but it looks like it could be a nice product. I haven't had a problem with this brand. Seem to like it. So anyway, there's that. It's very big. It's very full. So I don't have information on these things. So when they send the mystery bags, they don't really give you pricing or anything on that. The last 2 items I have are the brands I mentioned. And from Huda Beauty, we got, this is the Faux Filler. So it looks like it's going to be a lip product. Let me see what else it says about it. This is in the color Sugar Baby. There we go. And it looks like a really good color. And, okay, so it's just a lip. I don't know if it's a, let's see what we got here. Okay, it looks like just kind of a lip color, but it's a gloss right here. Love the color. Okay. So I'm happy with that. Never can go wrong. You know, you're never to have too many lip products, although I think I kind of do. But anyway, I love the lip products. So the last thing is from Rare Beauty, and this is, I think I just got another one of these from somewhere. This is eyeliner. It's a gel eyeliner. Perfect Strokes is what they call it. And it's in True Black, which is my color. So let's see. I'm kind of really excited to try this. I'm hoping that it's, I mean, I like Rare Beauty, so I'm hoping that it will be one that I will enjoy. So it's this color right here. And I probably should give it a minute. It's not really smearing already. I don't know. Okay, my eyes look so bad right now. I've been sick. I keep getting sick. I keep getting either ear infections or sinus infections. So I'm just getting over a sinus infection. So my eyes are, I don't know. I'm not happy with my eyes right now. But anyway, so this is gel eyeliner. I think it's going to be good. I think I'm going to really like it. It looks like it's kind of staying good. I mean, it's not really smudging, and that didn't take long for it to set. So anyway, so there's the 5 items I got. Once again, I got the this cleansing balm, which is so cute. The packaging is just so cute. So I've got that. I got the spray conditioner, which I definitely will use. I love this. So this is a really good bag for me, you guys. I really like it. The primer, I will try. I have favorite primers, and sometimes it takes me a while to get to use all my products just because I have so many. I tend to not go through products fully because I always, you know, I reach for another one, don't finish the first one. So I do that a lot with my makeup. But anyway, that's just fun to try different things. So there's that. And then I have the beautiful faux filler lip product from Huda Beauty. Okay, this isn't a mystery bag, you guys. This is a good product. This is a product you could buy at Sephora and pay money for. It is, I'm really happy, and it's not like a ugly color either. It's a good neutral, beautiful pink color. So anyway, there's that. And then the Rare Beauty eyeliner. I'm excited about this. I've been wanting this. I got one from somewhere else. I don't know where it was. I just found another one. So now I have 2, but I'm sure I will use them. So anyway, so that's it. That's my 5 products in this cute little mystery bag. These are cute little, you know, travel bags or whatever. So there we go. There it is. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for your support. I appreciate it so much. And so thank you for that. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.